So today's been a special day for me. I haven't been like buying watches or, anything for myself. I have a lot of watches, and things have to be, really. I just haven't run across something that made me want to break my sort of informal vow. But I had three things come my way, and I just couldn't say no. So I'm going to talk about each one of them in turn. Okay, here's our next one. And this is a watch model I never thought I would ever own. Simply because the rarity and the value of them. This is a small crown 62 MAS. And it's called that because of the small crown that's on there. This variant was produced only in April and May of 1965. Signed crown. And this one is, in fact, May of 1965. It's, by some insane miracle, it still has its ring. It's a bummer that it doesn't have the insert, but it's a bummer that it doesn't have the insert, but the Yoboki's ones aren't bad. Look at the tops of the markers. They're frosted. I've seen this in some other 62 MAS styles. Nice loom. That's a Seiko Sport Diver handset, I think. No, those hands are slightly tapered. If they were straight, they're like some generic. I don't think they're Seiko. It's possible, but I don't think so. I think they're just generic replacement hands. That sweep hand is definitely just a generic Swiss replacement. I have the minute hands, the seconds hands for these. That's fine. They're relatively common. I have a handset, but the one thing is that the hands on these are just like the hands on the 6105, in that the surface of the hands is flat. See, it's flat in the middle. It's got those little bevels on each side. You see that, right? Well, the handset I have is externally looks just like this, but the bevel is instead evenly split right down the middle, and so it has sort of a half and half look. It's certainly better than nothing, and it has the correct loom. It would look nice. I'm not interested in keeping this handset. So here's something fun. This watch came to me from Ethiopia. First time for anything. Case is nice, isn't it? Let's see if we can get some more light here. Yeah, I mean, you can still see that hard brushing. Dolphin's mostly gone, of course. 550-8044. That's nice to say. Hang on just one sec. Get yourself set. She wasn't on that tight. Well, I don't know, good, but I have no idea what we're going to find. Well, we found some pitting, some metal pitting there. Some servicing marks. And a 6217A movement, complete with the orange text. I have one lower mainspring arbor jewel for this movement type. I've been saving it for years. Maybe this is the watch that'll get it. Yeah, I have to clean up that rust. Hopefully it's more surface than anything. The movement looks good. This is an astonishingly good looking watch for, coming from, Ethiopia. I mean, I would expect it would show harder wear just on the weather based on the extreme temperatures alone. That's super cool. That's super cool. I'm looking forward to working on this watch and get that one going. That's cool. All right. Thank you for watching.